Good morning, students. Now we start summary of chapter number 13, fifth form justice. In previous video, I informed you the introduction part of the chapter. Now let's summarize the chapter. Students, the chapter begins with exam time of Merrill and Mavis. It was exam time for Merrill and Mavis. They both were confused, they both were perplexed as they had been suffering from mumps, one of the diseases that is found among the children. So Merrill and Mavis, they had been suffering from mumps, and due to it they had missed much of their lessons. It was exam time, so they attempted the revision work. When they sat for revision, they were horrified to observe that much amount of revision had to be done. So they were in horrifying state. When they attempted some revision, they were completely horrified at the amount that had to be done. Then also, Merrill and Mavis, they did their best and studied well. In spite of much revision, both the sisters studied well. They did their best to complete all the lessons. Then there was some change on the evening before the first examination. Clive visited both these sisters. Clive, he was cousins of Merrill and Mavis. So he visited Merrill and Mavis before the first examination. Merrill informed Clive not to disturb both of them as they were busy in studying. They were busy in revising their lessons. Clive, there was informal conversation taken place between them, among them. Later on, Clive, he admitted, after some informal conversation, Clive admitted that he would give Merrill and Mavis a tip or two for their exams. Clive would like to give one or two tips to Merrill and Mavis for their examination. When he informed this to Merrill and Mavis, both the sisters laughed. They felt that Clive was joking. He was kidding. When Clive informed Merrill and Mavis that he would provide them a tip or two, after that Merrill and Mavis laughed at him. Later, Clive said that he was in communication with occult. Occult, it means some supernatural element, and he was the wizard tonight. Wizard, it means magic tonight. Clive, he informed these two sisters that he was the magic for them tonight. He was going to inform them some of the questions that would be in their examination the next day. And to prove himself, Clive, he seized a glass paperweight and stared at it. He pretended that he was in deep thoughts. After seizing a glass paperweight and staring at it, Clive pretended that he was in deep thoughts. After some time, Clive informed Merrill and Mavis that he had seen girls writing examination in exam hall, and he was able to see some of the questions in their question papers. And Clive informed some questions that from geography, products of Java and Borneo in English, William Cowper and the Celtic words. After listening this, Mavis and Merrill, they were perplexed, as Clive was able to know the content of the examination paper. So both the sisters asked him to tell more questions, as they were curious, and we know that it is a natural feeling. At the time of examination, if someone informs us that these would be the questions that would be asked in your examination, definitely we ask more questions, that tell me more questions that would be in the examination. Same thing done by Merrill and Mavis, but Clive refused to inform. Before sleeping, Mavis and Merrill studied those questions, the Celtic words in the English language, about William Cowper, and also the products of Java and Borneo. So this was the introduction part of the chapter. Introduction part, it means the beginning of the chapter. How Merrill and Mavis came to know about the questions that would be asked in examination. Clive, he informed such questions which would be there in Mavis and Merrill's examination. Now that was not known by their classmates. So now what happened further, that we will see in the next video. Thank you, students.